Now open the box.
What's cooking, everybody? Wilfredo the Porkchop here. Holy crap, dude. This is, the box is from the Ups store. I know some people say UPS store, but I know how to spell it, but it says Ups right here. But the Up store does not sell products. Well, they have boxes and things like that there, but they are a shipping company here, and they shipped this big behemoth here from my longtime tag team partner and collaborator there, jtomally9681. So we'll put the name here, and there will be a link in the description below. Or wherever it is, depending upon where this is posted, where you can check out their stuff. Okay? Because this guy's helped me with a lot of stuff here, and he's really outdone himself this time here. So let's take an honest look, and let's see what we got here with this. Alright, here we go. Porkchop! Nailed it. Oh my god. Ow. See what we got here. Oh, this is a two-part thing here, so you know, and I've also been advised that inside of this box is another box, and the picture on the other box is not indicative of what the actual contents are. It kind of is, but kind of isn't. But hold on, and plus we do have a smaller box as well, but we'll get to that in a minute. We'll get to that later. Okay. Alright, so we got a big box here, so just bear with me as I call in some help to get this get this box removed. This box removed, rather, from this box. Okay, lower, lower, lower. Alright, hook it up, boys! Thanks, boys! Okay. This side up, fragile. I've already said the fragile joke there, so I'm not going to do that. This side is up. I thought this side was up. So if this side is up, does this down or... Oh, whatever. I just want to make sure that I'm doing this right here. Okay, so... Yeah, so this is the top of it here. So... So we're going to open her up, and we're going to see what's inside of this package here that we got from JT. Okay? Cool. Okay, so we have this opened here. There's a little grippy thing here. So this is the Russian nesting doll of unboxings here, basically, you know. So pretty soon it's going to come down, and it's just going to be a molecule eventually, about 9 hours into the video. So let's go. Okay, we got that removed. Now we just got to make a few incisions here, and we'll be able to see what's inside. All right. Should we just take this off? Put that in here. Ah, hello, computer. Look at this. All right. Looks like we got some goodies in here. Nice. All right, and then that's the power supply and everything else here. Okay, yeah. Huh. Very interesting. All right. So we got some foam inside here, I guess, to protect said components. So let us investigate. All right. So my buddy got a new computer, and he gave me his old one. And his old one actually runs a little bit better than that behemoth that I got gifted to me in quite a few ways. And plus, there's some software on here that I've been looking to get for a bit there, and some of that was stuff he was using to help me with editing some of my videos and whatnot here. So it'll be good to actually have access to some of the software now, which is good. Some of it I've had access to before, back in the Stone Age of YouTube. So that'll be a chance to get reacquainted with that. So let's see. All right, how does this open? I forgot how this opens up here. Hold on. All right, got it. Well, I have to compliment you on your packing job, good sir. My goodness. Yeah, 5 stars all across the board here. All right, so there's a few critters we got to plug in here. I guess that's fine, and we'll go from there. So let's remove these and plug in the critters. All right, so I sent a message along to them there. They're currently doing some studying right now here, so we don't want to interrupt them. So, okay. Looks like we got a hard drive. We got a fan. Let's see here. Let's take a look at the front. Let's get a good look at the front here. DVD drive. Looks like it's a burner. Looks like we got multiple USB ports here. I assume they're all USB 2.0, whatever, that's fine. That's a Dell. This is a Precision Tower 58 10. Okay. Oh, and I just got a response from him. Nope, I don't have to plug in any of those critters here. Okay, headphone and microphone plugs here in the front. Does this do any? I don't think that... okay, I don't think this does anything. But this obviously does, so that's cool. So I don't have to worry about, plugging it, putting in a CD or whatever. So, all right, let's open up the small box. I bet you I know what that is. That's going to be the power supply for this thing, so we can power it up. All right, let's get that. You crazy son of a baloney there. Okay, so he gave me a DBI, which is what this thing is here. Hold on. Yeah, we can get the camera to focus on this a little bit here. Yeah. Hold on. There we go. All right. Sorry, I had to zoom in a little bit. So this is a DVI to HDMI converter. Okay. Cool. We got some headphones. Some pretty sick-looking headphones here. I must say, these are nice. I don't think they've even been used. I'm not sure what the brand is on these, but looks like it has the standard thing here. China. Batch number. Yeah, so I have no clue what the... okay, but this looks pretty posable here. Alright, nice. Very nice. Little mic there. Alright, very cool. I imagine the power supply hopefully is in here. If not, then I'll find it here. I still have no idea what this is all about here, so I assume I have to just plug this into one of these here. Okay. So we got a 9-pin. We got a couple of HDMIs. USBs. There's a couple of HDMIs here also, I believe. Or are they all... oh, they're all DBI. Huh. Okay, I was mistaken. Okay. So good call there, at least for what it's worth. I can use, okay. We got Ethernet. We got the old-fashioned connectors for the keyboard and mouse here. We got connectors here for the stuff there. Okay, very cool. We got these different thingamaclickers here to put in for in case you want to update this critter with some components and stuff, which is really cool. And we got some information right here as far as the dimensions of the components that you put into this critter, so we can look for compatible critters and add them to this as we see fit. So great. Alright, and we got some electrical servicing information here, which is really nice. With a QR code to access this stuff here. Okay, so we've got all this neat stuff here. All right, so at least we know what the heck is what. All right, very cool. Very nice. Okay, I looked through, and unless I'm totally blind, I didn't find a power supply, but luckily it's that trapezoidal-looking thing with the 3 holes or whatever. Common enough. I know I have one of those somewhere, so we'll just use that to power this baby up here. But yeah, this has seen a few days. Yes, it's definitely seen some usage here, but that's okay. It's not what's on the outside, but what's inside that counts. If you get that reference to my old content, congratulations. All right, so I'm going to tidy this up a little bit more. All right, I definitely got to send a major thank you to my buddy jtomally9681 for hooking me up with this bad boy. We will find out more of what this bad boy can do in the near future. All right, so I'll catch you in the next one. All right, laters.
I'm your pizza man. I'm your pizza man. Don't forget to call your favorite pizza man. $12.50, please.